So good morning. I'm Kathy Bisbee. I'm the director of the Alliance for Digital Equity. I am standing on the shoulders of those who came before me. So first of all, I want to thank Dr. Frank Robinson, who many of you know, and Michael D. Chiara, who started the Alliance and brought 52 organizations across all 4 counties of Western Mass together to talk about the importance of this issue to our residents. So thank you. I also want to thank Bea and Keith and Mark and Annie and Wayfinders for their co-hosting of this event and for their partnership. This literally, we planned this last week at a national conference for our digital inclusion work where we were in Philadelphia. And thank you so much for all of you for responding and for showing up today, because I know that you care about this as much as we do. So the Alliance for Digital Equity is housed at Bay State, which is our, and thank you very much to Bay State to be our community anchor organization. We are a collaborative of 52 at the moment, community-based organizations throughout all 4 counties of Western Mass, all 4 counties. And we serve, those organizations serve rural, urban, and suburban communities with digital skills, literacy training, devices, hotspots, public Wi-Fi, and many other solutions that we are, as a collective, coming up with together. We really believe in amplifying voices that are doing the work on the ground and facilitating self-determination and local, regional, and federal solutions for our communities. You can't just rely on an act of Congress or a continuation of funding by Congress. We also have to work together here in Western Mass to make sure that we can make sure all of our residents have access to affordable, accessible internet. I want to thank the folks who are actually doing the boots on the ground work and our funders and partners for supporting that work. First of all, Mass Broadband Institute, our partner Catherine Downs came from Eastern Mass. Thank you so much, Catherine, for joining us, and thank you for the support of MBI. Our Comcast team, Dan and Brad, joining us. Thank you so much for your support. We hope that other internet providers also provide affordable solutions as a stopgap or a long-term solution for the funding cuts that we're seeing federally happening with ACP. And then the community partners who've been doing the really important work of enrolling people in ACP, and our team members, Rachel Wilson, our ACP manager at Bay State and at the Alliance, who's been working with partners Center for New Americans, Springfield Partners for Community Action Pioneer Valley, New North Citizens Council, Wayfinders, Greenfield Housing Authority, and Springfield Housing Authority. So we want to really thank all of those partners for doing an incredible job signing up thousands of residents across Western Mass for ACP in a very short period of time. To give you a quick sense of the number of residents who could be disconnected from the internet as early as April, when the funding runs out for ACP, 23 million Americans across the country are currently enrolled in ACP and are benefiting from this benefit for internet access. In Massachusetts, 366,000 households have signed up to receive the ACP benefit, and over 55,000 residents across all 4 counties of Western Mass have signed up. In Springfield, our partners and others have signed up over 61% of all eligible households, which is an incredible number, over 23,000 households just here in Springfield alone. If we look at other towns and cities across the region, we see Pittsfield and up in the Berkshires with 6,000 residents, 79% enrollment rate. North Adams, 2,000 residents. Chicopee, almost 8,000 residents are signed up in Chicopee, which is 78% of eligible households. And in Holyoke, 71%, 5,200 folks are signed up. We know that we don't even have everybody signed up that could be eligible for this benefit because we haven't had that much time to do this, but it's an incredible outcome that all of the partners in Western Mass have been able to get these kinds of numbers. Unfortunately, as of April, that subsidy will go away. So we're really here to ask all of you to stand up for this right to have internet access, to be connected to the world. It's no longer a luxury. It's a necessity to participate in our democracy, to live fully in our communities, to participate in our economy and in the world. Financial and other barriers to affordable internet access are morally unacceptable in today's digital world. So my last 2 points, we urge Congress to expand affordable internet access through the ACP Extension Act. And I want to say all of the folks who are here from Senator Warren's office, Senator Markey's office, Congressmember Neal's office, and McGovern's office, Congressmember McGovern's office, we want to thank you because we have received support, and from all of them, we have a united Western Mass congressional delegation supporting the extension of ACP. So a big round of applause for that. And the last thing I want to say is that the Alliance for Digital Equity in Western Mass, we invite all of you to participate in our alliance. We have a monthly call. You're all welcome to join us. And we want to encourage individuals, businesses, community organizations, anyone who thinks that having internet access accessible to all of us is important. Please join us and please help us to achieve that here in Western Mass. With that note, I'm going to turn it over to a few members of our congressional delegation. With that note, I'm going to turn it over to a few members of our congressional delegation.